Hello guys. This is new video about Cartown. In this episode, we will open Diamond Mystery Box. So let's see what we can get from Diamond Box. Last time I got Ford Focus RS 200, and it was very stupid because it doesn't cost a lot, and the Diamond Box costs 30 BP, so that sucks a bit, but okay. Let's see what will we get this time. So there is the box. Let's put it here. Okay. Oh, I don't know. What is this? Off-road. I don't know. I'll take a screenshot of this car because I never see it before. Okay. Yeah. Just to save it. And okay. So I don't know, should I keep this car? I don't know for how much can I sell it and how much does it cost. But I'll claim it, I don't have it. And it's not that bad. So let's check out this car. Just to share this. Okay, and let's check it out. Yeah, I thought that it's not expensive, and yes, so it's slow as shit, and it's fully customizable. Yeah, but okay, I'll keep it. I don't have it, so yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and